All right, when the saints go marching in, chorus solo. Basically, all it is we're following the melody line or the vocal line of the chorus of "Oh, when the saints go marching in." So if you listen to how you're singing it, that's the notes that you're hitting for the solo. I added the chords above, so just in case you have a friend or two that can play along, they can play the chords while you're playing the melody line as a solo. And you can add this anywhere in the whole song. I have it on the chord sheet at the top, but you can add it in anywhere you want, as many times you want, as many different people want to give it a shot, go for it. But you just add it wherever you want. So, all right, here we go. If you look at it, look at all the notes. We read everything from left to right. That's the tablature. We read every line from left to right at the same time. But if you look closely, we're only using 2 strings for this particular melody line. So we're only using the A and the E, which are the 2 strings that are closest to the floor, right? Giant cockroaches eat apples, E, A. So we're only using those 2. And if you look at all the notes that we're playing, there's only 5 notes to the whole thing, right? There's a 3 on the E string, 2 on the A string, 3 on the A string, then a 5 on the G or on the A string, and then at the very end of the line, and almost at the very end of the second line, there's an O, which is just open on the A string. So the only note we're hitting on the E string is the 3rd fret, right? Is right there. So those are some hints to sort of think about like what you're doing, so you're not like, what am I doing now? Another thing you can do, if you look at all those notes, you can actually put down your pointer finger on the 2nd fret of the A string and leave it there for the whole song, except for when you have those 3 open notes. One at the very end of the first line, one at the sort of the beginning of the first line, and almost all the way to the end of the second line. But you can sort of use your pointer finger there the whole time on the 2nd fret, and use your middle finger between the 2 3rd fret on the E string and the A string, and then stretch your pinky to the 5th fret. And I know some people are like, oh, I can't do that, it's too far. It is not too far, right? Now I'm stretching, and I'm all the way on the 9th fret now, 2nd and 9th fret. So just get used to, if you need to, adjust your hand, chicken wing it out a little bit, get your elbow out a little bit, see what works best for you, for your hands, to make it so you can keep your pointer finger on the 2nd fret of the A string and stretch your pinky to the 5th fret of the A string. That will make it your hand a lot more steadier because you have it anchored down the whole time. And then also you're going to go back to that 2nd fret over and over again if you look at the tablature. So, all right, let's start with the first line. Like I said, pointer finger on the 2nd fret of the A string, but you're going to add your middle finger on the 3rd fret of the E string, and that's where we're going to start, right? Let's just do those first 4 notes and think about how the song goes. Oh, when the saints, right? That's the first 4 notes. 3, 2, 3, 5. And look at that, in the tablature, the very next 4 notes are identical, same exact notes. And guess what? The next 4 notes are identical again, right? And so you just keep your hand like this, but go as slow as you need to. You don't have to go as fast as I was going. 3, 2, 3, 5, and let that ring out just like the song. Oh, when the saints go marching in. Oh, when the saints. And if you want to, just practice that first line over again. Oh, when the saints go marching in. Oh, when the saints go marching in. Oh, when the saints go marching in. And if you want to, I recommend trying to alternate your picking finger too. A lot of people do a whole bunch of theirs with their thumb. They're picking with their thumb, or they do it all with their pointer. Try to alternate them. Oops, sorry, I had the wrong string. Go as slow as you need to get both hands working at the same time. If you can get this alternating picking with your right hand, it'll make it so much easier and more fluid, especially later on when we're doing more complex finger picking stuff. If you can get your fingers to work independently and you're not doing everything with your pointer finger, or some people use a pick or whatever, or they use their thumb, it'll go a lot smoother if you can do that now. All right, so let's go back to that first line, and we're going to do this 3 times, right? That little intro, our first 4 notes 3 times, and then we're going to skip to the end part, which is, it's going to stop on that 5 like we did, but then it's going to go back to the 2, right? So let's try that real quick. 3, 2, 3, 5, 3, 2, 3, 5, 3, 2, 3, 5, and then you just lift up your 2 fingers. See how I'm leaving down the other 2 fingers as an anchor? Then it's 2, 3, 2, oh. Right? That's the whole first line. Let's try that again and try to sing along with it and match the notes with your voice if you can. Oh, when the saints go marching in. Oh, when the saints go marching in. Right? That's the whole first line. Let's try that one more time. And the other good reason to match it with your voice, that is good ear training because you're listening to the notes and matching it, but also you're matching it with your voice, so that's vocal training, warming up. It's good for you. It's great for you. All right, so let's try it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, when the saints go marching in. Oh, when the saints go marching in. All right, let's go to the second line. Now you just did that 2-0, right? Your pointer finger should be up, but I'm actually leaving my middle finger down for this whole thing, right? That is the true anchor, but you're leaving your pointer finger down for most of it too. But now we're going to go back to 2-0, and then 3, 3, 2, 5, 5, 3, right? All right. 2-0, 3, 3, 2, 5, 5, 5, 3, and there's a little bit of a pause. Oh, sorry. All right. And same thing, sing along with it so you can hear it. Dear Lord, I wanna be in that number. Oh, when the saints go marching in. And I don't know if you noticed my left hand, I added my ring finger there on the 3rd fret. That is another option you could do. You can move your middle finger back and forth between the 3rd fret, or add your ring finger there on the 3rd fret. So start again with the second line. Dear Lord, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Dear Lord, I wanna be in that number. Oh, when the saints go marching in. Make sure you're letting those notes ring out a little bit. A lot of times we hit a note and then we just cut it short. As soon as you release the pressure from it, it mutes the string. So you want to let some of those notes ring out at the end of the lines. All right. Let's try that one more time, and then we'll try the whole shebang. Try to sing along. Dear Lord, I wanna be in that number. Oh, when the saints go marching in. You could add any of that stuff at the very end. There's different ways that people do this song, so it's basically we're doing a partial G chord there at the very end, right? You see the last note there is a G. That middle finger is on the note. It's actually a G note. But you could, if you still have your pointer finger down, or you put it back down, you can, that's like almost a G. And then if you wanted to, you could actually make a full G if you wanted to. But that's once you start playing the song. That adds a lot of more dynamics and stuff like that. All right, so let's give it a shot. Let's do the whole shebang, top to bottom, if you can, or if you want to, sing along so we can hear how it goes, and also so you can hear all the pauses and stuff like that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, when the saints go marching in. Oh, when the saints go marching in. Oh, I wanna be in that number. Sorry. Oh, when the saints go marching in. Let's do that again, and maybe I'll do it right this time. I got that one note just barely on the fret. It didn't ring out as much as I would like it to. All right, let's try it again. Sing along. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, when the saints go marching in. Oh, when the saints go marching in. Oh, I wanna be in that number. Oh, when the saints go marching in. Right? So that's it. So here's the deal. If you decide to do this melody line with a friend or whatever, whoever's playing the chords, they need to be softer than you, or you need to be louder than them. So if you're going, and they're going, no one's going to hear your melody line, right? So you need to make sure that you're being loud and that they're being soft. The other thing is whoever's doing the melody line is leading it, right? Especially if you're the very beginning of the song. If the person who's strumming starts off super fast, oh, when the saints go marching in, and the person who's doing the melody is going, oh, when the saints, it's over with. You guys are out of sync already, right off the bat. So those first 3 notes are before a chord, right? 3, 2, 3, and that on that pinky, when you're hitting the 5th, that's when the chord hits, and that's when your friend or whoever decides to do the chords can do it. But you just want to make sure that they go right. You want to go. So they're hitting a chord, but nice and gently, so that way your notes are louder. Unless you're plugged in or something like that, then that works out. Then hopefully you're gonna be louder. But that's just some hints. Have some fun with it. Like I said, you can fit that in anywhere you want in the song. Numerous times, if you guys want to take turns, one of you doing chords, the other one's doing the melody line, you totally can do it. All right, have fun. Great job.